I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my workbench. Well, in fact, I'm on my kitchen table because I have some renovations going on and I don't have access to my workbench. Everything got put away so that I can do the renovations. So hopefully next week's video will be on my workbench. So that being said, this is a little bit of a filler video. I have two items on a mail call over here, and I have some pocket change I would like to show you. So the first one here is in my pocket change. I got the Insulin Toonie from 2021. This is the non-colorized version, only 1 million minted of these, which is really awesome to get in my pocket change. So that is awesome. And I got a nickel. Now, there's nothing special about this nickel other than, let me see if I can focus here. Other than this is a nickel that popped out of my washing machine. We've talked about dryer nickels. There we go. And so it started the process, but very often you see coins with a rounded rim like this. Now this one, it wasn't in there for very long, so it's very beat up, but over weeks and months of using your washer or your dryer, these get to be really smooth, and it looks like it has an abnormal edge to it, and people always ask what kind of coin is this. So that's what we call a dryer coin, or in this case it was in my washer. But anyways, there you go. This is what you get sometimes in your change. So I thought I would show you. This is basically went through one wash and it popped out. So I heard the noise and it popped out by itself. Sometimes it gets stuck in an inaccessible place, but there you go. Now on to the more interesting stuff. So the first one here I got from Ogier Coins. I will put a link to his channel up there. If you haven't subscribed to him, then I do recommend it. Now, I haven't, he said he'd sent me something. I have no idea what this is. So let me go ahead and put the phone down and open this up and see what I got. So here we go. He says, "Hello, Emmanuel. Thank you for the Canadian 50 cents that he won from a 1K GA. So yes, he won a silver 50-cent coin. And I sent it over to him. Your channel continues to gain momentum because you are consistent with publishing some very good content. Keep up the good work. I see you like Mercury dimes. Well, here is one inside. Take care, Ogier Coins." And he sent me a Merc dime and a Wheatie. And the Merc dime over here is, let me pick it up here. Come on. This is a 1929 Merc dime with, at the base of the staff here, I believe. And this is with an S mint mark. That is awesome. That is an awesome addition to my collection. I don't think I had one of those before. I don't have very many of those, so anyone is probably an addition to my collection. And this is a blazer of a Wheatie, a 1955 S Wheatie penny. So it has the wheat ears, the wheat ears on the obverse, on the reverse, I should say. This is the old design. That is awesome. Thank you so much. Go and check out his channel, and if you haven't subscribed, he should be one of the channels you subscribe to. I watch all of his videos, and he delivers some good American content. So go check him out if you haven't already. And secondly, let me set this aside, and this is something I got from the Mint, so let me open it and I'll get right to it. All right, this is the next one in the W Mint Mark series that I've been collecting. These are silver coins that the Mint's been issuing with the W Mint Mark. This is a 50-cent coin. You can see the W Mint Mark right here. W is for our Winnipeg minting facility. Now, normally, Winnipeg only mints circulation coinage. That's where all of our circulation coinage is minted. However, when they do mint non-circulation coinage, you get the W mint mark over here, which is awesome. So here is the obverse, which is Queen Elizabeth with the double date under her name. Here, let me change the angle so you can see the double date over there. And that is awesome. Well, I'm glad to add that to my collection. I think I almost have all of the coins now in the set. I'm going to have to check my set. In fact, I think I have it easily accessible. I will be right back. Here you go. This is the box where I've been putting in my coins. Now, I've gotten the W Mint Mark Toonie and the W Mint Mark Loonie. This penny is not part of the set. This is a large penny, so I put it in here. just because it would actually complete the set, because we're going to have the 50 cent goes over here like this. And the quarter, the nickel, the quarter, the dime, and the nickel will go over here. I will put the certificate of authenticity in there. So yeah, so far I got 3, and quarter should be next, and then the dime, and then the nickel, and I'll have to put this one somewhere else, but I put this silver penny in here for now. Well, I hope you enjoyed this very short mail call and update. Hopefully next week, for next week's video, the construction will be done and I'll be able to clean up a bit and use my workbench and have my gear. I don't have my microphone, and so you're getting the native audio from my phone. So it is what it is. I usually record on my phone, but I do have a plug-in mic which helps with the quality of the sound. Well, before I sign off for this video, I don't have it with me because it is in the construction zone, but I'll put a picture of it right here. I'm giving away this colored $2 National Indigenous Day toonie to a lucky winner in next month's giveaway. So all you have to do is leave a comment on this video and on all of my Sunday videos, and I will randomly pick a video to randomly pick a winner, and I will send that anywhere in the world. So that's the giveaway for the month of May. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little bit different than what I usually produce. It's not at the usual location where I usually produce my videos. But if you did enjoy my video, I always appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, click on my logo over here to subscribe. And here is a video that might be of interest to you, as well as a playlist of penny hunts down here because of the penny right there. Until next time, thanks for watching.